Hi everybody, Steve from drugtest.com. Today I want to continue talking about some more places to stash, whether it's drugs, cash, or today, pills. So my last video, we had a lot of comments and got a lot of interest. We heard a lot of names being called to me, and Boomer and Square, and you can go through the list on my old video on stash cans and kind of see everything. But what we also learned too is there's some other devices that some people shared in terms of how to stash. Some people were taking the wall mount or electrical socket out of their room and being able to stash behind there. Another gentleman or person shared that there was a screw and it sounded like a nut that they would actually unscrew and be able to use as an actual smoking device as well too. It was called a snitch quite a bit, and snitches get stitches quite a bit. So yeah, you can go through the old comments on my stash can video and kind of get some education as to some of the other things that people use to kind of conceal. What I want to talk about today is just some other devices that are out there. So you may see a Sharpie. It's holiday season right now. I use one of these. I have them sitting all over the house. Writes like a normal Sharpie would, right? No big surprise there. But what you don't know, and what parents don't know for the most part, again, you would never know this, weighs and feels the same, is that devices like these can be pulled apart and separated very easily, right? So this is a great one for pill containment. And pills are one of the scariest things right now with all of the overdoses that are going on because of the substances that are coming in and being laced with who knows what, but it is causing that one-time single overdose use. So really, parents, be aware, and you're gonna have to take a little closer look and be a little more proactive and kind of seeing what's being stashed in plain sight around your room. I got a couple more devices that I picked up here over the course of the last week. I'm gonna be dropping a few more videos. Please share these with your parents, loved ones, friends. This is what we're up against. Let me take all the flack for the comments, but I'm going to continue to show you all the different ways for concealment, stashing, and devices that can be hidden in your kids' rooms today. Thanks so much. Talk to you later.